What people eat is often influenced by what they have access to. What they have access to is governed by various factors. These may include location, socio-economic status, time, and skill.
Nake Christina Mokove Mokasane. Ke direla mo market wa Kasane. Nya ha o ja sente. Bona o khona ho ja ka nako. Me ha o ja sente o tshwantse go ja dijo tse di tsenya dikota. Se di tsenya dikota re ratsone bopi jwa mabele, manoko, wa pastampa, o ja ka nako. Go bo itekanetse mo ja dijo tse ile gore ha di go tsenye bokoa.
Ke bidwa sana Mokobi go tswa mo Bobono mo Rastimela. Go ya ka kitso me a go te motho wa ba ja sente. Go twa a ja dijo tse di na le dikota mo mmeleng ya ka morogo, nama, o sa je mahura a mantsintsi, o sa je letswai le lentsintsi. Nna go lo pheke jam phaletšhe, mabele le morogo le nama ke tsone dijo tse ke di ja thata.
There is definitely a sort of symbiotic relationship between cooked food, street vendors, and the working class. They rely on the vendors for their day-to-day meals and nutritional intake, and in turn, create business for said vendors.
Good morning. My name is Martha Moseki. I work as a dietitian more Nyangabe Hospital. Well, to start, the dietary habits of Batswana, they vary a lot. Like a lot of Batswana use a lot of fats. In their diets. Fat from meat, fat from, like fried foods, like your fried chips, your magwinya. This is a typical diet here in Botswana. So that means it leads to high fat intake. We also tend to eat a lot of like large portions of food, mostly carbohydrates, like your paleche, mabele, bostampa. Got a plate la Botswana, there will be the carbohydrates, when you compare to your vegetables, your meat, carbohydrates, they make up the larger part of the plate. Our traditional foods like our beans, our legumes, things like wodiklo, your cowpeas, lentils, all those that would give you your protein. Some of our foods are recommended for management of diabetes and hypertension, mostly because they are natural foods. They are not highly processed like the other foods. So they would have less fat, they have less sugar.
Focusing on this relationship by encouraging healthy habits on both sides could be the difference in the quality of life of many Batswana, especially as pertaining to NCDs.